Well, look at this. Ultra high compression 442. Use premium fuel only. So it's up 11.5 to 1 motor, maybe 10 3/4 to 1. This thing is all original. These Oldsmobiles, they were forced to be reckoned with in the day. Everybody thought them as the grandpa's muscle car, but this one has the remnants of putting this car back together. It is original. It's a 4-speed car with a big block. If you painted this car red with black interior, with them wheels dialed in, this thing could be a nice piece. It's not rusted. Got a little bit of surface stuff done for support area and whatnot, but I never noticed. No, those are not factory. Somebody put aftermarket fog lights in it at one time or another to run these roads up here. Oldsmobile insignia. Well, let you be the judge. Would you restore this car? I think I would. Body straight. Wouldn't take a lot to get this thing dialed in. Muscle Car Corner here. Another couple finds here in Western North Carolina today.